Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to get the best promo codes for Bybit to win over $35,000 from Bybit. Bybit is one of the most popular global crypto exchanges, and in 2025 they are offering new referral codes that unlock some of the biggest bonuses to date, with rewards worth up to $35,000. These codes are refreshed regularly, meaning that new users can always benefit from the latest promotions, trading credits, and deposit bonuses. And if you want to know where to find these codes, they are available on the internet everywhere. For example, this website that I'm using to find the Bybit promo codes, and here you can see the Bybit promo codes. Actually, you can even use one of these codes because they are up to date. Just copy the referral code and go to the sign up bonus and then paste it there. You can claim from the bonuses a welcome bonus in USDT, deposit match offers, trade-in fee discounts, and exclusive event rewards that change throughout the year. So Bybit updates these promotions frequently, so the referral code you use in 2025 may unlock completely new benefits compared to a previous year. Always check the referral program page directly for the latest active codes and reward terms. Just a tip, even after you've signed up, you can invite friends and share your own referral link to earn promotional bonuses. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more Bybit tutorials on our channel, and I'll see you next time.